population rate is increasing means what it indicates? Their R value is more anta artha. Okay na? So that's why high R value. Correct? According to Darwin, according to Charles Darwin, both those are having the more reproductive capacity. More reproductive capacity those organisms are have, automatically their number is more. Their number is more means what? Automatically they are more dominant in that area. Correct? They are more dominant in that area. So if they are more dominant in that area, what we have to think? Their R value also completely more. R value also completely is more. What is meant by R? Intrinsic rate of natural increase. Or it is also called B minus D. Correct? So B minus D we can call them as R. So intrinsic rate of natural increase are very important. This recent question. So Darwin fitness andre, that is called them as high R value. Andre those are having more reproductive fitness. Those are having more reproductive fitness, that organisms only can survive in that area, plus that organisms only can dominate in that area. Correct? Correct or wrong? Okay? So that is very important. So Darwin fitness under meaning enandre, so majority of the population, they are more evolved in their reproductive fitness. Understood? The organisms are populations. Okay? So what is meant by a Darwinian fitness means populations evolves more reproductive fitness, more reproductive fitness. So those population is having more reproductive fitness, automatically their R value also more. But the reproductive fitness, it is means what? Okay, in the life history variationally, totally the organisms are completely variant in the three ways. The first of all, lifespan. The first one is called lifespan, and the second one is called breeding. Lifespan, second one is called breeding. Okay, and third one is called them as their their progeny. Let us, okay, lifespan. So generally Darwin fitness is depend upon more reproductive fitness. You already go, but more reproductive fitness ide, adike less lifespan ide andre, come on, they can dominate in that area na? No, more dominant irbekandre their lifespan is more or less more. So lifespan more ide andre, yes, there also their reproductive capacity also, suppose reproductive capacity more ide, lifespan also more is there means what? Yes, according to Darwin they are fit organisms anta tilkobodu, or superior organisms anta tilkobodu. Artha aita? Lifelong or lifespan also completely should be more. Then only we can call them as, yes, they are completely more fitness animal. Not only in the reproduction, in their lifespan also more reproductive fitness. Then the nature will be selected to that population only. Nature will be selected to that population only. Clear? So that's why in Darwin fitness nalli lifespan also one of the part. Lifespan also one of the part. Those are having more lifespan, they can survive more. Those are having the less lifespan, they are completely surviving less. Clear? Okay, next one, breeding. So breeding also one of the major nature of the life history variation. Eitherly some species they can breed once in their year or once in their lifespan. Once in their lifespan only they can perform the breed. Once in their lifespan they can breeding. Breeding andre no reproduction. Breeding means what? Reproduction. So they can reproduce only once in their lifespan. Can you speak out what is the name of the plants? About what is the name of the animal?
Bamboo.
Very good. Bamboo is the best example. But what about the animal? Pacific salmon fish. Pacific salmon fish. Very important. Pacific salmon fish also one time only they can breed, later they can die. Plus bamboo also. Bamboo plant also completely once in their lifespan. That's why bamboo planting now monocarpic plant ande nu karitivra. Monocarpic plant andre only once only breed in their lifespan. Okay na, monocarpic ra, e point also important. So these are called monocarpic plants. monocarpic plant anta karitivi, bamboo plant. Okay, ಈಗ next one, sometimes next one, so once in their lifespan, but many times in their lifespan. Come on, which animals are completely? Very good, birds and mammals. Birds and mammals is the best example. Birds and mammals, many times we can breed that one in our lifespan. The last one is called them as offsprings. Sorry, this one, last one is called offspring. Offsprings. You see, some organisms are produce more number of progeny with very good, with a small size. More number of progeny they can produce with a small size. Can you speak out what the example for more number of species? Yes, that one, oysters are the best example, and pelagic fish. Pelagic fish is the best example for more number of progeny with a small size. Okay, no? Yes, orchids also you can give. Orchids also example. Okay, next one, less number of progeny with large size. Less number of progeny with large size. Very good. Okay, large size. Best example in the birds and mammals. Birds and mammals is the best example. Birds and mammals. ಈ ತರಹ. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು small concept in your book, but they are not at all leaving that one. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it is all are depend upon R value. Means what? Mainly Darwinian fitness. So Darwinian fitness andre, those organisms are having good lifespan, those are having more breeding capacity, those are producing more number of the progeny. Such organisms are completely more dominant. Even nature will be selected to that population only. That's why their R value also always high ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So R value tumba andre means what? High R value ide andre, yes, that is nothing but they are superior or inferior organism? Superior organism. It's very important. So finished. Okay, after the life history variations we have to discuss about very important population interaction. Very general topic. Very general topic. Okay, so population interaction. Any habit is there without, any habit is there having only single species?
No, sir.
No habit have only single species. One habit is there, or one habitat is there. One habitat nalli onde species iruttana? No, different species. For example, terrestrial habitat nodi. Terrestrial habitat nalli which one is there? All type of organisms are there. Plants is there, animals are there. But Animalia Kingdom nalli how many different phyla are there? 11 different phyla. Idralli so many different organism, but prati organism innobba organism mele compulsory depend agutara. Plus every one organism they can depend upon other organism. That's why they can interact with each other. Matte aa interaction ge suppose two species are there. Two species, if they are both are interacting with each other, but ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ, come on, we can call them as, suppose if they will completely, yes, if you are give the plus symbol is indicate what? Yes, plus symbol is indicating what? Benefited, yes, this is called benefited ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ, yes, we have to give that one, which is symbol? Plus symbol. Okay, ಅದೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾ? Yes, okay na, harmful, or it is also called detrimental anta karitara. Detrimental andre na harmful. So this is called harmful. Because zero anta symbol kodta idvandre, what is the indication? Very good, neutral interaction anta helbodu, or neutral. Okay, so neutral means what? They are not getting any benefit, they are not any loss. Correct? So no benefit, no loss, neither benefit nor harm. That's why we are indicating with 0. So based upon these symbols, and we are completely interactions, we have to divide into different types. Did you remember? Okay, how many different type of interactions are there? Yes, 5 or 6 interactions are there. 6 interaction. So first, this is called species A, and this is called species B, and this is called type of interaction. It is a type of interaction. So now we are discussing about here in this first interaction. Species A getting benefit, but species B is lost their. Yes, this is called the as which one? Predation. First, which one? Predation. Even parasitism nalli also same concept, correct? Okay. Illa, you see, ibbarigu effect aagta ide adu. Ibbarigu minus ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the name? Competition. We can call them as competition anta karita. Illa, species A getting benefit and species B is lost their benefit or they are harmful means what is the name? Parasitism. This is called them as parasitism. Illa, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ನೋ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ನೋ ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಮನ್ಸಲಿಸಮ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇದು 2017 18 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇದೇ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಸಮ್, ಕಮನ್ಸಲಿಸಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ನೋ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ನೋ ಲಾಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅಮೆನ್ಸಲಿಸಮ್. ಅಮೆನ್ಸಲಿಸಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್? ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೋಟೋ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮೇ. It is also one type of mutualism. Let us we have to discuss. Idra different type of, totally 7 different type of interactions we have to discuss. Okay, let us. The first type of interaction, what is the name? Predation. Iga ee predation ella they can ask for your okay competitive level. Enge keltare andre mainly they are asking for okay, in which level they will ask means what? Statement type. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು the above statements, how many statements are correct regarding about which one? Predation ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್? ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ the organism of one trophic level, it is depend upon organism of another. For example, tiger is depend on D, correct? So that's why it is a one type of which one? Predation. Ee predation alli obbari matra benefit ra, but innobbaru they lost their life, correct? They lost their life. That is why they are completely given the interaction. That's why plus minus interaction we are given. So one trophic level is feeds on another trophic level. Okay na? So this is about predation anta karitivi. Matte predator nalli what are the uses? Very very important. What are the uses of predation? First of all, okay, it conduces, yes, it conduces transfer of energy across which level? Across the trophic levels. It conduces transfer of energy across the which level? Trophic levels. You already know in the food chain how many trophic levels are there? Ecosystem chapter agilla adike. How many trophic levels are there in the food chain? Food chain alli 4 trophic levels are there. Ena 4 trophic level? Producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. Correct? Matte primary producers in the energy, primary consumers ಇಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಇಂದ ಟೆರಿಷರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೀಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ತಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಟನ್ ಬೈ secondary consumers. Then the energy is moving from primary consumer to secondary consumer ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ secondary consumers are eaten by tertiary consumers. Now the energy is moving another trophic level, correct? So predation is very, very helpful for to conduce the energy transfer across the which level? Trophic levels. How many trophic levels are there in the food chain? 4 trophic levels. So that's why food chain nalli energy transfer agbekandre predation compulsory. Okay. Second one, predators. Very good. Predators, they will keeps prey population under control. Correct? Prey population under control. Under control nalli. Okay na? Prey population under control nalli irbeku andre compulsory. Which one is required? Predators compulsory. So they will control that one, prey population under control. Okay, next one, what about the third use or third advantage of the predation means? Do you know? That is, okay ma. So predators control, okay. So species diversity of community. Species diversity of community by reducing the intensity of competition between competing prey species. Between competing prey species madhya, they are preventing the competition. That's why they will maintain species diversity. This is very, very important. Okay. So predators are maintained or controlled. Maintain anta cheragirutte pa. Okay na. So predators are maintain species diversity of which community? Andre prey community. Prey community predator. Gottalva? Predation alli compulsory in between two organisms, that is called predator and prey. Always predation is occur between the two organisms. Either species A idu, species B idu. Correct? Which one is the species A? Predator. Which one is the species B? There. But really, which one is large size? Which one is big, small size? Predator is large size, prey is small size. Rarely, adu eno difference agute. Ekandre ಕೆಲವೊಂದು tiger also attack on the elephant. Adu rarely. Even tigers also attack on the giraffe also. Gottara, once the giraffe fell down aitandre iga agalla. Okay, now means what? They can't stand also. Ashtu dodda udda legs irutte. How they can stand? That's why once they have to completely fell down means they are completely food for tigers or lions. Understood? Okay. So idura. So predator prey relationship predation. Matte third important point, predators or predation is also completely maintained which one? Species diversity of the which community? Prey community. The best example is, come on now, can you speak out one of the best example? Starfish pisaster is there. Starfish pisaster is a predator of many prey species. Many prey species. Correct? Okay? This starfish pisaster, they are removed from one area. When this starfish pisaster is removed from one area, yav area in the remove madidru gotta? It is completely present in one of the coastal area, that is called American Pacific coastal area. In the starfish pisaster ella remove madidru. Remove madmele yenaitu? Starfish pisaster, when they are removed from the Pacific coastal region, it causes that one. Okay na? It causes. So removal causes. Starfish pisaster removal causes extinct of around how many species? Around 10 different species of invertebrates or vertebrates? Invertebrates. ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ನೋ ಜನರಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರೇ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಕಮಾಂಡ, ಇದು ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ and these Prey number is increases. Between the prey only. Come on, which one is occur? Competition is occurs against the food. That's why those are superior one, they would only get the resource. Those are inferior one is eliminated eventually. Correct, wrong? Gauss competitive exclusive principle. Are you remember? Gauss competitive exclusive principle. Gauss anta oba scientist hedidra. Yaru physically fitness agirtaro avare superior means avrige matra resource sigutte. Those are inferior one, they are eliminated eventually. Correct, wrong? So that's why when the predator is removed, it is also causes that 10 species are becoming extinct. Why? If the predator is there means what? They will maintain. Okay, now predator is there, they are maintain the which diversity? Species diversity of the which community? Prey community. But yavaga predator illano avaga ee prey nalli species number ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ between the prey only the competition is occur. That's why some of the preys are extinct ಆಯಿತು. ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ competition ಗೆ they can't tolerate. Other predator iruvaga they can eat all the prey species. All the prey species, if they will completely eat means what? All prey species number become controlled. Correct? Ella prey species are become controlled. That's why between the prey any competition is occurs. Between the prey any competition is occur. Why? Because prey number is less in the time. Less number of prey species madhya food koskara yav time nalli competition baralla. But predators idre idu prayojana. Clear? So this is about the third benefit of that one. Okay, predation, third benefit. What about the fourth benefit? Do you know? Okay, mainly we are using this predation. So biocontrol, okay, methods, biocontrol methods we are adopted in which one? Agriculture. So mainly adopted in agriculture, agricultural pest control methods. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಯೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಬಯೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ we are controlling the population of one species by using of their natural predators use ಮಾಡಿ we are controlling the harmful prey species. But it is also one type of predation. Okay, so biocontrol methods are adopted in agriculture. Pest control method is a one type of which one? Predation only. Okay, if the predators are absent, and ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ also disadvantage also there are disadvantages of predation. In disadvantage of predation, anybody can speak? Okay, yes, if the predators are prudent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is meant by prudent? More efficient or too much efficiency ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ. too much efficiency ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, because if the predators are prudent and there is too much efficiency, and they are eating more prey species. If they are feeding more prey species means what will be happen? Prey number become decreases. If the prey number decreases, then automatically after few years predators also become extinct. This one the disadvantage in the predation. Okay, and second also there are, if there is no natural predators illa andre, there is no natural predators, it leads to what? Increase the which population? Increase the prey population. It increase the prey population. Can you give the example for this? Suppose natural predators illa andre prey population increase agobodu. Yes, very good. Best example is called Australian. Yes or no? Okay, so Australian nalli one of the prickly pear cactus ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇದರ. ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ Australian government they are imported in the which year? 1920s. 1920s ನಲ್ಲಿ prickly pear cactus they are import ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. Correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ prickly pear is a exotic species to Australia or not? Correct? It is an exotic species of Australia. But within a decade, and these prickly pear cactus is entire, they are spread throughout the hectares of land. Why? Because they don't have any predators. Predators illappa. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ predators ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ population increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Prey population is increased. But after a decade and one moth is enter. When the moth is start the feeding of this plant and totally their number become controlled. Their species number become controlled. So these are about the disadvantages. ಈ disadvantages ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾ, okay? Predators too efficient ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ danger. Predators illa andrenu danger. Idondu best example for this. Okay na? So every point I am covering from your textbook. Okay, so predation is very helpful for conduce the transfer of energy across the trophic level and keep the prey population under control, and predators also maintain species diversity of prey community. The best example this one in the starfish disaster. Starfish disaster, if they are removed from that area, it leads to that one extinct of around 10 different type of species. Around 10 different type of invertebrates are extinct. Clear? Because of the which one? Because of the competition between the which prey species? Competing prey species madhya. Okay? So these are disadvantages. Again, now we are discussing very important. What are the adaptations we can observe? Come on, adaptations are we can observe in the prey or predator? Yes, adaptations are defense mechanism. Correct? Defense mechanism is completely shown by whom? Prey. Against whom? Predator. Okay, no? So now the defense mechanism we have to discuss. Defense mechanism of prey against the predators or to escaping from predators. Can you speak out what are the type of defense mechanism we can observe? Defense mechanism we can observe in this one. The first, yes, that is called cryptically colored. And cryptically colored, that is nothing but camouflage. Idunu direct question kodabodu. Which one is showing camouflage? Yes, grasshopper abodu. Okay na? So grasshopper. Next one in the chameleon and frogs also. Some frogs are there cryptically colored. Cryptically colored means what? They change their color also. And some insects also. Insects andre ide barutte. So insects also ivella cryptically colored. Second, poisonous body. They are having that one poisonous body. Okay, can you give that one example for poisonous body? Very good. They are called distasteful for predators. So which one? That is called monarch butterfly. Monarch butterfly, very important. The monarch butterfly is completely distasteful for its predator. Correct? Its predator. Why? Distasteful for its predator. Because they are having which body? Poisonous body. But why they got the poisonous body? Because when they are present in the larva stage, they are eating the which weeds? Poisonous weed. Correct? They are eating the which weed? Poisonous weed. So poisonous weed tinitira. Adike a poison ella body nalli irutte. So that's why ee poison is not harmful to the butterfly. Butterfly ge adu ಏನು harm ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ it is present in inactive condition ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Suppose ಈ butterfly is eaten by any predator bird. Predator bird can be eat this monarch butterfly. A predator bird can die. Why? Because these non-toxins are later it is converted into toxins. Same like BT cotton. Same like protoxins to converted into toxins, like that one. Okay, so that's why no predator bird is dare to eat that one, the monarch butterfly. That's why they are protecting from their predator. It is a one type of which mechanism? Defense mechanism we can observe in the monarch butterfly. Idu regarding about which one? Plants or animals? Animals. So animals nalli itara modification. And ide animals nalli did you observe that one? Mimicry. Mimicry. What is mean by mimicry? Did you observe in the night time when you have to go that one, when you have to walk on the road, on the side of the road, are you observing that one? Some of the insects they are making more noise. Andre harmless insects are harmless insects are, it will be completely shown like a which insect? Harmful insects. Ade alva, mimicry means what? They are imitating other animals. When you are completely getting the noise from that roadside, just you have to go and observe by the torchlight, the small insect, they are shouting as a big insect. That's why predator one can afraid, ammo, something is there. That much of voice is coming means definitely adeno big animal is there. Anta no predator means they can attach or they can touch that one. Okay, they can escape. Like this one, this is called mimicry. In mimicry, only two types of mimicry is there. Okay, that is called Batesian mimicry. Very good. What is the name? Mullerian mimicry, and the two types are there. Yenra Batesian mimicry andre? Yes. Okay, so that is called harmless individuals, visible like which one? No? Harmful insects, harmful individual. Best example, some butterflies are there, you know. Some butterflies, nodidra? Wings nodidra? Wings tiger stripes tara iruttappa. Tiger stripes tara irutte. So that's why predator allinda nodida takshana ammo illedu tiger inda anta tilkondu, yes, they cannot touch that one. This is called Batesian mimicry anta karitira. So Batesian mimicry andre, that is called harmless individuals are completely visible like a which one? No? Harmful insects or harmful okay, yes, individual. Best example enandre some insects. Okay, next one, Mullerian. So Mullerian mimicry andre, here insects also it is acts as a harmful. Mainly acts as a harmful. Why? Because best example is monarch butterfly. Monarch butterfly. You know a small tara irutte, but adu tinnandre matra the predator will be die. This is called the mass. Okay. So that is called Mullerian mimicry anta karitivi. So Mullerian mimicry ge best example is monarch butterfly. But Bateson mimicry, those are the insects are showing they are really harmless. But the harmless insects, they want to protect from the predators matra. They should visible like a which one? Harmful. So that is about it is called Bateson. Ide difference. Bateson mimicry, Mullerian mimicry ge ide major difference. Idara defense mechanism of the prey is completely over. Now what about plants? Plants nalli also some of the defense mechanism is there. First of all, yes, presence of the which one? Thorns. Thorns are commonly present in the which plants? Cactus plants or opensia plants. Okay, these thorns are protect the plants from which animals? Herbivorous animals. Correct? Herbivorous animals in the protect madake these thorns are commonly present. Correct? It is completely protect from herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals in the, they are giving the protection. Okay, herbivorous animals in the protection. Second, cardiac glycosides are very important. Cardiac glycosides, where it is present? Very good. Calotropis, ekkagida anta karitivalla. Ekkagida nalli which one is there? Cardiac glycosides are there. Adikira small goat abodu, sheep abodu, they can eat the grass but they won't eat that one, the Calotropis. Ekkagida elenu tinake agalla. Okay, suppose appitappi tinde andre enagutte? A predator goat ge ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು? ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾಯ್ಸನಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಚ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕೆಲೋಟ್ರಾಪಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಕಾನಿಸಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ alkalides, presence of alkalides. These alkalides also giving that one different aroma to the plant. Different aroma to the plants. Can you give that one? What are the alkalides? For example, opium, okay, nicotine. Next one in the caffeine, strychnine, okay, strychnine and quinine. Gotara, quinine is present in cinchona. ಸಿಂಕೋನಾ ಅಫಿಸಿನಾಲಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಸಿಂಕೋನಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸಿಂಕೋನಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸಿಂಕೋನಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಕ್ವಿನೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪೆರಿವ್ರಿಂಕಲ್, ಅದೇರಾ ವಿಂಕರೋಸಿಯಾ. ವಿಂಕರೋಸಿಯಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೀಡ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 2 ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿನ್ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿನ್, ವಿನ್ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಅಂತ 2 ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ವಿನ್ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿನ್, ವಿನ್ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಅಂತ 2 ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಈ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ಇದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಸರಾ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 2017ಇಂದ 2021ವರೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕೇ ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮಿಮಿಕ್ರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಟ್ಸನ್ ಮಿಮಿಕ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮುಲ್ಲಿರಿನ್ ಮಿಮಿಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಏನೋ ರೇರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮುಲ್ಲಿರಿನ್ ಮಿಮಿಕ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಮಿಮಿಕ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈವನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದೆಪ್ಪ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ symbols they are given for that one? Minus and minus. ಅಂದರೆ here both are adversely affect them anta. But when does competition is occurs? Very good. When the resource is limited. Correct? When the resource is limited, the competition is occur. ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ that is called intra-specific competition. Very good. Second one in the inter-specific competition. Did you remember? Now you are preparing for medicine, correct? But it is a inter-specific or intra-specific? Intra-specific ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕವ್ವು, ಗೋಟು, ಶೀಪ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಕ್ಕೆ? ನೋ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಈವನ್ ಬಫೆಲೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮಿಂಗ, ಡಾಂಕಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕುದುರೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮಿಂಗ. ನೋ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರಿಬಲ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಕೇಳೋ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ಗಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಂಟ್ರಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? In between, correct? So means what? Only one species madhya interaction is there or competition is there, means what we can call intraspecific. But interspecific means what? Between the different species. ಈ intraspecific competition ಗೆ best example, for example, in a pond 2 types of parameciums are there. 2 types of paramecium. Okay? So, ಈ 2 types of parameciumನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಮಿಷಿಯಂ ಅರೇಲಿಯಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಮಿಷಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಮೆನಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಮೆನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ನೇಚರ್. But those are having the more superior nature. Come on, that species also can be survived. That's why who will extinct that one? Aurelius. Aurelius is extinct. Correct? According to Darwinian fitness. That's why, come on, R value we can observe more to which paramecium? Cardaminous. Cardaminous is having R value is more. Intrinsic rate of natural increase is more. Andre? So these are Cardaminous is exclusively they can affecting this one. Exclusively means what? They are suppressing the population growth of this animal. This is called intraspecific. Andre, one day genus but species is different. One day genus but species is different. Such type of interaction what we can call intraspecific interaction or competition. Best example this. Again, next interspecific competition. Interspecific competition ke best example we can discuss. Okay, for example, if you go that one, the North American lakes, North American shallow lakes are there. What is meant by shallow? Shallow means what? They are having less depth. It's not more depth water, just 2 or 3 feet height only. The water is there. Means what? What is the name of that pond? Shallow ponds or the shallow lakes. In North America, shallow lakes every time and yes, which one is visiting the? Flamingo birds, correct? Flamingo. It is a one type of crane. Sir, South America. Sorry. South America. South American lakes or shallow lakes, flamingo cranes are visiting. Do you know the shape of the flamingo cranes? They are having long legs are there. Long legs are there and their beak also itara. It is completely itara irute. So did you observe that one? Correct? So these are about the birds. But if flamingo crane ge plus local means what? Local fishes ge madhya competition narta ide. But this competition is a one type of which one? Interspecific competition. Because their genus is separate and this genus also separate. Correct? So different genus, different species. In between that one competition is going on. Again is the which food? Common food is there. What is the name of the common food? Zooplankton. Zooplankton is the food of the local fish and zooplanktons also. Okay, it is the food of the which one? Cranes or flamingo cranes. But when the flamingo cranes are enter into that lakes, they are eating more feeding of this one zooplanktons. But when the zooplanktons are more feeded by these cranes and totally it is compete with whom? Local fishes. Local fishes. That's why idರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ benefit, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ completely defeat ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Means what? They are completely affect ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this one is a one type of which one? Interspecific competition. And second one more interspecific competition also there. Okay, that is called special islands are there. What is the name of the islands? Galapagos Islands. Do you know Galapagos Islands? Yes, in these Galapagos Islands, come on, which one is previously dominant? Abingdon tortoise. Abingdon tortoise is more dominant. Correct? Abingdon tortoise are more dominant in the which island? Galapagos Island. But one time the human beings are introduced that one the goats from. Goats are they are introduced into these Galapagos Islands. But once the goats are enter into these Galapagos Islands, it will be compete with whom? Abingdon tortoise. Why sir? Tortoise ke goats madhye in competition andre? Because of their food. Food andre yavadu? Grass. You already know goats are having more browsing capacity. Means what? More eating capacity is there compared to which one? Tortoise. So when the goats are introduced into the Galapagos Islands, come on, in between the goats and Abingdon tortoise madhye competition nadtu. But within a decade, decade means what? 10 years. Within a 10 years, Abingdon tortoise are completely extinct because of over browsing capacity of the goats. Clear? So that's why in this competition, one species is dominating, they are excluding the another species. Excluding the another species. This point is very, very important. Those are excluding the another species means what? Their population is, their R value is more anta. Understood? Those are completely more dominant, their R value is more. Because they are excluding the other species. Excluding means what? They are not at all giving any food for them. Why? Because they are having superior nature. And there are more browsing capacities there. That's why what is the grass is they are eating very fast. But tortoise ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. They are walking also slow, even they are eating also slow. Slow motion ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? Okay, ಈ ತರ ಇರುವಾಗ it leads to that one abundant tortoise are extinct. Clear? Okay, so these are the points. So adike every point to point you have to completely read your textbook properly. Idralleಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನೇ ನಾನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ by explaining again and again. Okay, those are superiorly more, where those are completely very developed, that one they are excluding one the other animals. Okay, these are interspecific. And next one more also there, that is called competitive release. Competitive release. So what is meant by competitive release? Yes, if the competition is occur between the two species, those are having more dominant, they can only alive. But in the species, what they can do? Yes, they can completely go to other place. Correct, wrong? Suppose ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬಂದವರೆಗೂ ನಾವೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ತುಂಬ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ವಾಹ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಟಾಪ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಏನು ಆಹಾ ಓಹಾ ಈ ಹಾ ಆಹಾ ಅಂತ. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪಾಪ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಇವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಬ್ಬಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, I can leave and I can go to somewhere anta leave. This is called competitive release. This is called competitive release. A competitive release concept as given by Connell's. Very very important. Ide Connell's elegant experiment ante karitara. Elegant experiment. Connell's elegant experiment. Idunu idera very very important. A Connell's elegant experiment idu scientist name. Connell's is a scientist name. A Connell's elegant experiment, what they are saying about, they are taken one example. What is the name of the example? Barnacle they are taken. This is called barnacle. Barnacle, which one? Balanus. E barnacle balanus is more dominant. Correct? More dominant. In which area? Intertidal area of. Intertidal area of which one? Scotland. Scotland intertidal area nalli barnacle balanus is more superior. Clear? ಈ ಬರ್ನಾಕಲ್ ಬಲಾನಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದೋ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ? ಬರ್ನಾಕಲ್ ಕಥಮಾಲಸ್. ಬರ್ನಾಕಲ್ ಕಥಮಾಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ನಾಕಲ್ ಕಥಮಾಲಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ನಾಕಲ್ ಬಲಾನಸ್ is enter into the intertidal area of the Scotland, whose domination is decreases? Cathamalus. Barnacle Cathamalus dominant is decreases. This is what we can call competitive release anta karitare. Clear? Okay, but when does again Barnacle Cathamalus number may be increased? When the Barnacle balanus number is decreases. When these number is decreases, natural calamities bandu or ivrige predator yaro bandu your number decrease aitandre, now this population become increases. This is called competitive release anta karitira. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಟಾಪ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅಬ್ಬಾ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು? ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ನೆಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ. ಯಾರವರು? ಗಾಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್? If the two closely related species competing for the same resource, they cannot coexist. But who will eliminated eventually? Inferior one eliminated eventually. Only superior or dominant one only get the resource. They will only get the resource and inferior will be eliminated. This is a direct question they are asked in your competitive exam. So gas. What is the spelling of gas? G-A-U-S-E. So gas is always explaining about one species only become exist, another species is become extinct. Understood? Two closely related species are competing for the same resource. Best example is there, Abingdon tortoise and goats. Both are competing for the same resource. But adರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು superior, they will only get the resource, and those are inferior, they will eliminated eventually anta they are completely explained with the help of this. Got the clarity, students? But idu always possible era ee tara ibbaru iruvaga ibbaru yavaga fighting ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಸತಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, yes, both are coexist. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಎಸ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ, ಎಸ್ ನೀವು ತಗೋ, ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡು. ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. Sometimes both are also coexist. This concept as given by whom? MacArthur. Very important now. His name also very important. MacArthur is completely correct. So MacArthur. So very important about the name. He has given the which concept theory? Resource partitioning. Resource partitioning concept as given by MacArthur. Nodra, Cornell's has given that one. The which one? The competitive release. Ivella tilkodi. Ivella statement type are direct questions. Direct question for your NEET examination. Iga MacArthur, he has given one example that is called warblers. Do you know? Warblers means is a type of which one? The birds. Correct? Warblers is living on the same tree. You see, this is about the one of the tree. ಈ tree ಮೇಲೆ different type of the warblers are living, like this one. Different type of the warblers are living. Here also one of the warbler is living. So this is about the. It is also one of the warbler is living. So it is also one of the warbler is living. Okay. It is also one more warblers are living. Different 5 closely related warblers are living on the same tree. They will avoid the competition and coexist. Correct? So MacArthur, what he has given? Coexist. Andre ibbaru batukabodu. Coexist. Coexist when it is possible. They are having the same foraging habitat or different foraging? Same. No, different foraging habitat. When they will coexist means because of their behavioral adaptations in their foraging habits. Foraging endra? Foraging habits. Foraging meaning food habits. If they are having the food habits, different food habits means they can survive there. Suppose 5 different warblers, if they are living on the same tree means, you see, this warbler, they are eating the insects. What are the insects are living on the tree? They can eat. This warbler is eating the leaf of this plant. This one is eating that one, the fruits of this plant. This one is completely eating that one, any flowers or seeds like this one. ಈ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು. Like that, if you are completely make the partition, you see, after the getting the some, what we can get sometimes money ಆಗ್ಬೋದು or hide. Yes, okay, yes, like that. If they are having the different foraging habits, hidden treasures, hidden treasures ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಪ್ತ ನಿಧಿ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಗುಪ್ತ ನಿಧಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬರೀಡ್ ದಸ್ golden ornaments, they are completely kept in the one box and they kept in. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ if anyone will get that one, means 4 members are there. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು. Like that one, make the partition, then they can survive all of them. This is called coexist. Coexist concept as given by whom? MacArthur. By taking the which help? Warblers. He has taken the example is warblers. Warblers means is a special type of birds. If they are living on the same tree, they can coexist. But when they will coexist means because of their behavioral adaptations in their which habits? Foraging habits. Their foraging habits. Okay. So this is the competition. Competition is finished. Okay. After the competition, next parasitism also there. Parasitism. Can you speak out what is parasitism?
Both the species.
Parasitism means one of the species is completely dependent upon other species for their shelter and food. Clear? So that's why those animal is depend upon other organisms body. Such organism what we can call parasite. And those species is given the shelter and food for parasite is called host. So parasite and host relationship what we can call parasitism. ಈ parasitism ನಲ್ಲಿ parasite ಗೆ which symbol you can give plus and host ಗೆ minus. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 type of parasitism is there. That is called ectoparasites, endoparasite, brood parasites. Brood parasitism ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? Very good. Okay. Can you give the ectoparasites example? Ectoparasites example, ticks are present on the dogs. Plus lice are present on our head. Correct? Lice. On the hair of our head, lice are completely present. Ivel in the ectoparasites. And bed bugs. Bed bugs are also one type of ectoparasites. Ectoparasites. This one is very important. Endoparasites. Can you give the example for endoparasites? Ascaris. Ascaris meaning roundworms. Taenia solium. Taenia solium meaning tapeworm. Taenia solium means tapeworm. Next one. One more parasite also, that is called Malarian parasite. Can you give the example for malarial parasite? Plasmodium. Plasmodium also one type of which parasite? Yes. Okay na. Endoparasite. Endo meaning it is living inside the host body. That is called endoparasites. Okay. Brood parasite is the meaning in the brood parasites. Very good. Some of the parasitic birds laying their eggs in the nest of other host or other animal. For what? Why they are laying the eggs in the nest of the other host? To make the omelette. Omelette ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. Why they are laying the nest of the other? For incubation. For incubation. For incubation. Okay now, best example koel or cuckoo, they are completely laying their eggs in the nest of the home crow nest. Why they are completely laying their eggs in the crow nest? For incubation koskara. Yakandre koel they are laying their eggs but they can't incubate. Hatching anta karitivalla. Okay, for example hen also laying their eggs. After the laying the eggs and they can incubate after 21 days only. After that incubation only, okay, the chicken will comes from that one. Okay, means what? Small birds will be comes from that one. Correct? Wrong? So for the incubation koskara, if they are depend upon other animals, that is what we can call brood parasitism anta karitivi. Ee brood parasitism we can observe in koel and crow interaction, we can call brood parasitism. Nenpidiya tane, okay na? Idu direct match the following questions they can may ask. But you know, but at the origin time andre when the coil origination occurs or evolution is occur, at the beginning of that actually they are incubating their own eggs. But in the course of evolution, what is happened, you know, by mistakenly some coils are there completely lay their eggs in the crow nest by mistake. But later they are observed that one after the laying their eggs, later they got to know, yes, it is not my nest. Actually I lays only 2 eggs, but here 4 eggs are there. Oh, I thought it is crow nest. But later they got the idea, yes, both eggs are same. That's why even crow also cannot find out these eggs. That's why should I incubate this one eggs? The crow only can incubate that eggs. Like that they left that one. So crow only they can incubate the eggs, and after the hatching it will new birds will come. Even after the birds formation also, crow cannot find out their own birds and coel birds also. Why? Because both are in black only. But when the crow can find out that one, it is not my progeny, means when they will get the wings, correct? When they will get the wings, only crow can find out. But when they will get that one, the wings, they can stay in that nest only, no? No, they can leave that one, they can go that one. In that time only they can get the free. So this is will be happening by evolution pattern only, this will be happening. But ಈ brood parasitism we can observe from which season to which season. ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನ್ವರೆಗೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನಿಂದ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಸೈಟಿಸಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಕೋಯಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ನಾಯ್ಸ್. ಮೇಲ್ ಕೋಯಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ದ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. Then male and females are both are become pair. After the pairing, mating is occurs. After the mating, and the female is get pregnant, but he pregnant then they are laying their eggs in the crow nest. Yes. After the impregnation, and both male and females are break up, it will be go in the different places. Yes, they cannot alive entire their life like human being. Human being nalli ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಟಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ವಾನ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಸ್ವಾನ್ ಹಂಸ, ಎಸ್, ಹಂಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹಂಸ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೇರ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ one swan is die means what? Other one also will be died. That much of relation is there between that one, male and females in some birds, but not in all birds. It is some birds it will be happen. It is true. I am telling that one the true. I am not telling lie. Okay. So this is the total parasitism. It is a general concept. That's why I explained orally. Okay. Question. In objective question matra, okay, find out the following one is good example for endoparasitism. Find out the following one is a good example for ectoparasitism. Plus cuckoo and coil relationship or parasitism is a following type of the parasitism. Like that they can ask. Adikara cuckoo and coil, or cuckoo or coil, they are laying their eggs in the crow nest. Is the one type of which parasitism? Brood parasitism. This one is should. Got the clarity? Either of parasitism. After the parasitism, next one in the commensalism. Remember commensalism meaning? What is the meaning of commensalism? Here also interaction is there between the two species, but here one species is getting benefit, another species neither benefit nor harm. Okay. But very important, because different relationship they can give for your examination, but you have to find out which one is the correct pair of commensalism. So commensalism, what is the symbols are we are giving for commensalism? Plus and 0. These are the symbols are we are given for commensalism. commensalism ge examples you should remember. Okay, what is the example? First of all, orchids. Orchids as epiphytes. Orchids are epiphytes on mango tree. Okay, mango tree. But one more example, nanu parasitism nalli cuscuta. Remember cuscuta? Cuscuta is a ectoparasita, endoparasita, brood parasita. Which one you will choose? Ectoparasite. Cuscuta is one of the parasitic plant. Cuscuta is a parasitic plant on hedge plants. Means what? Other trees. Other trees mainly they can completely survive. That is important. Okay, next, commensalism. Orchids as epiphytes on mango trees. Next one, barnacles. Barnacles as a which one? Epizoans. Epizoans on the back side of, very good, back side of whales and crabs also. Crabs back side also they can live. Which one? The barnacles. It is called epizoans. Epizoans, very very important. Okay, next one more, cattle egrets. Cattle egrets and grazing cattle interaction. Grazing cattle interaction. Grazing cattle interaction, it is also. And the last one is called clownfish. Do you know clownfish staying yes, where? Around the sting tentacles. Sting tentacles. Okay, tentacles of which animal? No? Sea animal. Well important. Well examples for commensalism. Commensalism ke best examples. Okay, so what is meant by epiphytes? Epi means upon, phytes means what? Plants. So orchids, it is living on other tree branches. Why they are living on other tree branches? To get the sunlight, correct? To get the sunlight, they are living on the other branches or other trees branches as the epiphyte. But why barnacles are completely living as the epizoans on the back of the whales? Only to get the shelter ashtera. Correct, wrong? Okay, for example, orchids are there. Orchids are there depend upon mango plant for their water and any minerals. Water and minerals, any food koskara they depend upon the mango tree? No, only for shelter. Correct? Shelter koskara matra they are depending. Andre, here orchid only getting benefit. Correct? By giving the shelter to orchid, mango tree, they lost any benefit? Or they are getting any harmful? They not less, they not get any benefit. Correct? They not lost any. Okay, harmful also. That's why neither benefit nor harm. That's why mango tree is a, which relationship we have to give? Zero. Same here also. Barnacles getting shelter from whales. That's why by giving the shelter to the barnacles, come on, the whales are lost there any benefit? Lost there any benefit? They are getting any benefit? No benefit, no loss. That's why here also plus and zero interaction. Idunu epizoan antane karitivi. Epi means what? Upon. Andre bere animals mele it will be depend. Adike epizoans. Again next one, cattle egrets andre nothing but birds. Did you observe when you are going that one, when you are traveling in the bus or when you are traveling in train, did you observe? Suppose any agriculture land is there. Okay, some grazing animals are completely eating the grass. Did you observe? Surrounding of that animals, yes, the surrounding of that animal, so many white color cranes will come up. White color cranes. Did you remember? Did you identify such type of scene? Okay, in that time, why these cattle egrets are completely present around the grazing cattle? Very good. When the grazing cattle is eating the grass, what are the insects are there inside, behind of that? It will becomes outside. And who is ready to catch? Cattle egrets or birds are there ready to catch. But here egrets are getting benefit, but here grazing cattle is not getting any benefit, not loss. No loss, no benefit. Here last one, the clownfish. Why clownfish is staying around the sting tentacles of the sea anemone? Because of protection. You know, sea anemone is one of the, which organism? Coelenterata. It is a completely coelenterate. You see, this is called the as sea anemone. Sea anemone. Do you know, it is having the small tentacles also. They are having small tentacles. They are having like this one. This is called sea anemone. Okay. Surrounding of the sea anemone, which one is always living? Clown fishes like this one. I think in National Geographic channel ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ attractive ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆಪ್ಪ clown fishes. ಈ clown fishes are having dark color stripes also present. Dark color striations. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ they are wandering around the sea anemone only. Why they are wandering around the sea anemone means what? Because and these clown fish they are getting the protection from. Yes. Andre, so totally sea anemone is giving the protection to whom? Clownfish. Correct? Why? Because here tentacles are there, you know. Tentacles mele, which one is there? Stinging cells also present. Stinging cells here now nematoblast anta karitara or nidoblast. Kelidira nematoblast or nematocytes anta karitivi or it is also called nidoblast. So nidoblast are, suppose if any big fishes are came on the big fish bandide anta tilkoli. Okay na? So that is about the big fishes eno bandide ee small fishes ni tinakke. Now sea anemone, how they can believe? Sea anemone is believe that one, this fishes is coming for to eating of my body. So that's why immediately sea anemone they are blast that one all stinging cells what are there on the tentacles. These stinging cells are releasing the poison. So because of this poison and these predator birds or predator animals can be afraid that one they can leave that place. Correct? So sea anemone for their protection koskara they are completely blast their stinging cells. But in the meantime here clownfish also getting the protection. Clownfish also getting the protection. So that's why, come on, here which one is showing zero interaction, which one is showing plus interaction? Idu plus, idu zero. Got the clarity? Idra. So ee tara plus zero interaction is what we can call commensalism anta karitara. Okay, next mutualism also there. Amensalism ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ತಾನೆ? What is meant by amensalism? Yes, minus and zero. Meaning one species is harmed, another species neither benefited nor harmed. Best example biocontrol agents ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ ಒಂದು ಫಂಗಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ? ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ is a fungus. ಈ fungus where they are growing, that area, come on, it is not give the permission to the growth of other microbes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ it is preventing the growth of other plant pathogens. Plant pathogen ni kill ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. By killing of the plant pathogen, trichoderma is getting any benefit? Any loss? No loss, no benefit. That's why trichoderma is getting which type of symbol? Zero. But other plant pathogens are getting minus. Trichoderma plus you already know when the Alexander Fleming discovery of penicillin discovery madavaga also one type of amensalism he has identified. Gotha? Come on, first he is cultured the which bacteria in the petri dish? Staphylococcus bacteria. But one day in that Staphylococcus petri dish nalli one of the green color fungus he is observed. Green color fungus where they are present, it will be preventing the growth of other fungus. Artha aita? Green color fungus, what he has given the name? Penicillium notatum. Correct? Penicillium notatum, where they will grow, it will be kill that one other harmful microbes. Andre, where the penicillium is growing, there he didn't observe the which bacteria? Staphylococcus bacteria. Why? Because penicillin will be kill that one the Staphylococcus bacteria. By killing of the Staphylococcus bacteria, penicillium is getting any benefit? No benefit. Any loss? No loss. That's why penicillium is getting zero symbol, correct? But other Staphylococcus is getting minus. Idu I think 2018 NEET question. Understood? So Alexander Fleming discovery nalle amensalism ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Understood? When he is cultured that one, the Staphylococcus bacteria, but one day when the fungus is developed, Staphylococcus bacteria will be completely died in that area. It is a one type of which one? Amensalism. Then only he got the idea. Oh, penicillin. Penicillin, they are caused that one, they are killed that one, the Staphylococcus. It is a harmful bacteria tane. So harmful bacteria kill madidandre, yes, it is having the which nature? Antibacterial nature anta. Avaginda antibiotic. Correct? Antibiotic, they are extracted from Penicillium notatum. Speak out, what is the name of that antibiotic? Penicillin is the antibiotic is extract. So that's why discovery of penicillin is a which type of population interaction? Amensalism. Adu ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, amensalism. ನೋಡ್ರ, ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ? ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾರಾ? ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಲೈಕೆನ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಾನೆ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. ಮೈಕೋರೈಜಾ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. Rhizobium bacteria also best example for mutualism. Yes or no? Very good. Lichens nalli already sir helkottru I think adaralli algal and fungal partners both are there. Algal partner ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? Phycobiont and fungal partner Mycobiont. Idralli which one is photosynthetic nature? Phycobiont. Which one is heterotrophic nature? Mycobiont. But both are mutually. ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದು ತಗೋ, ನಿನಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾ ಕೊಡಿ, ನನಗಿದು ಬೇಕು ತಗೋ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಇದು ತಗೋ, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟರೇನಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ಚಿಡೋಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಮೆಡಿಟರೇನಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ಚಿಡೋಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಂಬಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಂಬಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟರೇನಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಓದಿಲ್ವ ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್? ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಆಫ್ರಿಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಫ್ರಿಡ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್? ಆಫ್ರಿಸ್. ಈ ಆಫ್ರಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ರ ಒನ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಬಂಬಲ್ ಬಿ. One petal is looks like a female bumblebee. That's why they are attracting the which bumblebee? Male bumblebee. Male bumblebee will come and fall and they start copulation, but later they got to know, hey, it is not a female. Then they can leave. But in the meantime, they are carrying the pollen grains. Again, they will fall one more flower also. Like by visiting one by one flower, they are causing pollination. This is called sexual deceit anta karitira. Sexual deceit anta karitivi. Nanpide tane sexual deceit. Sexual deceit anta takshana yav, which one you have to remember? Ophrys. It is one of the archid. Complete name Mediterranean archid ophrys anta karitivi. Mediterranean archid ophrys and bumblebee interaction. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ರಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಓರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಈ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್, ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಬಂಬಲ್ ಬಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂಬಲ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಸೀವ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲ್. But they start copulation, but it's a real copulation? No, pseudo copulation. In the meantime, they are carrying that one, the pollen grains, to one flower to other flower. That's why they causes pollination. Clear? Idu sexual deceit anta karitara. Sexual deceit. Okay? Sexual deceit anta takshana ophrys ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Very, very important. But the mutualism is one of the co-evolution or not? Mutualism, one type of which one? Co-evolution. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ both are getting benefit. ಆವಾಗ ಅದು co-evolution ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? It is called co-evolution. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Yes, that is called fig and fig wasp interaction. Fig and fig wasp. Fig ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಹತ್ತಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಹತ್ತಿ ಹಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ which one is compulsory visit ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಫಿಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಪ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಪ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 or 3 minutes only is it. It's a very easy concept. Okay, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.